Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are always tired or bored of making the same recipes and taste, right? Do you love to have something special? I have some fresh minced chicken. I'm planning to prepare a delicious chicken keema recipe. Are you ready? For this recipe, we need the ingredients like 1 chopped onion, 1 large sized tomato chopped, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, 1 cup curd, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, and 3 tablespoons of Garam Masala, 500 grams of chicken keema. First, I add 3 tablespoons of ghee to a heated pan. Then chopped onions. We have to stir well. The aroma of the onions frying in ghee is incredible and also it tastes good. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share with your loved ones with loads of love. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, then stirring well. This is the time to add this red tomatoes to it. Here I am adding 1 large sized tomato chopped. We have to wait until the tomatoes soften. Now we can close the lid and after a while I open the lid, then stir it well. Now you can see it's ready. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder and 2 tablespoons of Garam Masala. We have to use 3 tablespoons of Garam Masala for our recipe, but now we are adding only 2 tablespoons. Finally, we have to add the remaining 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. Now stir well and wait until the oil gets clear. You can see it's the perfect time to add the curd. We can mix the gravy well and cook for a minute. Now you can see the oil is coming over the gravy, so we can add some coriander leaves and stir well. Now add 500 grams of chicken keema. Mix it well in low flame and be careful that the keema or minced chicken may stick to each other and it may not cook well, so stir well. Cook on low flame and add some salt. Now close the lid and cook for some time. You can see the water coming out from the minced chicken. Now add half cup of water and cook on medium flame. I'm adding coriander leaves. And 1 tablespoon of garam masala into it. can have the delicious chicken keema recipe with chapati, rice or anything as your choice. We can serve it hot. If you love this recipe, do like and share your feedbacks with us. See you soon with a new yummy recipe. Thanks for watching.